Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from a new Etsy shop that I haven't been to before, and it is called ClassicElements. And I let them know that I was going to do an unboxing after I placed my order, and they said they source direct from Africa for their bone, crobo, and brass beads, and they seek unusual things and offer a large selection of leather and suede produced in the USA. So they said they like to create the experience like as if you were shopping in an old-timey or an old-fashioned bead shop, and I'm so excited to see what's in here. They also have stuff for sewing, quilting, and embroidering. I don't do any of those things. I can't sew to save my life. I've tried to the disappointment of my mother, who was a quilter, but it's beads, 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 and paper with me all the way. So I went here because I was looking for a new bead mat. I ended up buying a bead mat at a store in the meantime, but the first thing I bought from them was a pack of bead mats. So these are 3 bead mats, velour or Velux, whatever you want to call them. They were $5.99 or $5.95 for the 3 mats. Here's their information. ClassicElements, and then they have Classic Needle. But here are the mats. I just needed them for videos. So I probably won't use the yellow or the, I don't know what color this is, beige. For videos. I like how the blue looks in the camera, and it usually gets pretty true colors. So, and then I bought this bead mat, which I thought would be great for videos, but I didn't look at all the pictures. The first picture was more gray looking, but it turned out to be yellow, which is kind of harsh on the eyes sometimes when we're making jewelry. I just wanted something that, you know, sometimes I use a beadboard, but I wanted to try and use a bead mat sometimes for a video. Maybe if I made a bead, I just have these off to the side here, but maybe if I did it with the blue underneath, it'd be okay. It's kind of stark sometimes if it's just the yellow. I kind of think that looks okay though. I have my work lamp really high up today. If I brought it in, it would also be pretty light. So I don't know how that's going to work out, but if you're looking for a bead mat like this, I think it's pretty cool. This was $3.50. You can get 1 or you can get a 3-pack, or I think they can do a 6-pack too. So check them out. Of course, all the links to the shop will be below. I'm going to keep my blue bead mat out here. Sorry, I have stuff from my sale on the board here. And then let's see what else they sent. So this is from their sister shop, which is Classic Needle, and it's embroidery and sewing supplies. And you know, I don't know what that says. It says something cotton. So this is something that they offer in that shop, which is pretty cool that you can use for embroidering. I'm sure if I embroidered, I would know what that says, but I don't know what it says. I'm so sorry. And then they sent me a couple, I guess, samples to show you guys some of the stuff they have in their shop. I love their branding and I should have gotten some of these face buttons, but I didn't. You guys know I'm obsessed with faces. So let's see what's in this little bag, and then I'll show you what else I got from them. So we have, oh, that's kind of cool. It's like a little business card, but it has a ruler with centimeters and inches on it. And then let's see if we can see what this Brazilian waxed beading cord. They have lots of colors and mixes. This is actually really nice. This would be nice for knotting a bracelet. I like that, and you guys know I love that color. It's bright turquoise. Well, it's not bright turquoise, but it's almost actually like a muted turquoise, but I really like it. And then this says tough cord, 5 sizes, multiple colors. We stock them all. Nylon beading cord. That's pretty cool. So similar probably to Eslon. I'll have to look into that because that's pretty. That's a really pretty lavender. Very nice. Thank you for sending that. And then here's a sample of some of their crobo and brass beads. So these are all African beads. This is really pretty color under those blue dots. I love that. And then we have a big brass bead using the lost wax method. It's a little, sometimes they're not perfect, but I think that adds to the charm. And I actually don't have this pattern. I love it though, because it looks kind of like a sun. And then we have two like a shanty bead shaped mixed glass beads. And then this one's interesting. It almost looks like they mix seed beads in with whatever other glass they were using that day. Yeah, these look like all melted seed beads together, because I've seen seed beads with these stripes on them. African seed beads. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before. So thank you for sending those samples. That's pretty awesome. And then the last thing I ordered were a couple beads, and they have great packaging and a pendant. So let's see. I ordered this African pendant. I just thought it looked really cool. Brass from Ghana is what that says. Very neat. I love it. Almost looks like a jellyfish now that I'm looking at it. I didn't think of that before, and I doubt that there are many jellyfish, in Africa, although probably on the shores. But that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And then I actually saw a strand of these at Bernie's in Gilbert. Is it Gilbert? I think maybe Mesa. I can't remember. But these are African and bone and wood beads. I saw a strand at the store, and I was obsessed with them, and I did walk out without them. And then I just kind of wanted to have one here to see if I would use it, and maybe I'll go at some point and get that strand, but I doubt it. It's expensive. This was $1.50 for the one bead, and then I got the same bead, but it has a print on it, and it was also $1.50. African wood and bone, and this one just has a print on it. Thought that was pretty cool. I love them. I just love that natural wood with the natural bone together. And then I also got some huge Czech flowers. So I was editing a video. It was the one from Beauty and the Bead Shop. And no, that's not true. I was editing it from my last Lori haul. And I snipped one of the filigrees, and I thought, that would look really good with one of those big Czech glass flowers. And I didn't know what color I wanted, but they're kind of expensive. These are usually like $2 to $3, $2.50 to $3 in different stores online. So they had a good deal on these for, as expensive as they can be. You get 7 for $14.95. So it was a few dollars off if I would have bought them separately. So I got a pink one. And I was the color I was looking for was this orange. So they're table cut on one side. This one isn't actually as table cut as some of the rest of them, which I really wanted the orange to be able to pop. So maybe I won't use that one. But then there's a minty aqua. We have a white with a Picasso. We have a red with metallic and Picasso. It's very dark. It's like a garnet red almost. We have a cream. And then we have a turquoise, which of course I love. And these are all 22 millimeter. And they're gorgeous. I actually went to a bead shop in town looking for these, and they didn't sell them by the strand, and they were $275 to $350 per bead, and I was like, oh god. So I thought that was a great deal for the 7. I am a little bummed that this one doesn't as bright as I thought it would be, but I can use it for a different project. It's just not going to work for the project I purchased it for. Overall, I'm super excited. I got my new bead mat. I've got some really cool African beads to test out, and we have a new store to shop at. So I'll leave you guys with the information below. I think my favorite thing, I don't know. My favorite thing, I think, is this guy right here. And let's see, maybe these two. These two are my favorite. So I'm really excited. I'm glad I got some of these bigger flowers. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite item? And if you're looking for bead mats, this is probably the place to go. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Somebody's pouting because I won't give her any peanut butter ice cream. It's gonna work. I know it's gonna work. I'm trying to hold out as long as I possibly can. Who can deny that little face? Who can deny that little face? Look at it. I think I can hold out. She already got some watermelon today. You act like you're starving. But you're not. You're spoiled.